In the pursuit of wellness and enhanced metabolism, the age-old tradition of consuming cinnamon in the form of bedtime tea has emerged as a potent elixir. Beyond its aromatic allure, cinnamon tea possesses a trove of health benefits, wielding both antioxidant and antibiotic properties. This humble concoction, brewed from cinnamon powder steeped in hot water, stands as a natural detoxifier, offering a multitude of advantages to its imbibers. Furthermore, the addition of honey not only sweetens the tea, but augments its already impressive array of benefits. For those eager to harness its potential, crafting cinnamon tea is a simple endeavor. Prepare the ingredients. In a cup of freshly boiled water, infuse 2 pinches of cinnamon powder. For an added touch, a bay leaf can be included to elevate the flavor profile. Allow the amalgamation of water and spices to steep for a duration of 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the infusion to develop its full potency. To unlock its maximum efficacy, savor a cup of cinnamon tea at least 30 minutes prior to bedtime, enabling its effects to harmonize with the body's nighttime rhythms. Embracing this nightly ritual offers more than just a delightful sensory experience. It stands as one of the premier drinks for bolstering the body's fat-burning potential. With its innate ability to revitalize metabolism, foster detoxification, and bestow a range of wellness benefits, cinnamon tea unveils a holistic approach to nighttime wellness. Whether seeking a subtle enhancement to one's health regimen or an avenue toward a revitalized metabolism, the simple act of sipping on a cup of cinnamon tea before slumber holds the promise of transformative effects. Check out the link in the bio or the box below if you're interested in losing weight.